AI is here, and some testers are panicking like robots are about to snatch their jobs. Calm down, relax. The truth is, AI can automate tasks, yes, we know, but it can't replace human curiosity, creativity, or the ability to spot when something just feels off. Think of AI as your new intern. It is fast, tireless, but it still needs supervision. Your role, like seriously? Just be the detective who asks the weird questions, digs into the what ifs, and make sure the user experience is actually human friendly. Keep leveling up, learn new tools, embrace automation, but don't forget your superpower is critical thinking. AI may crunch data, but you connect the dots. So stay curious, stay adaptable, and remember, robots don't do coffee breaks, but you do. That is how you stay relevant.